Hey guys, welcome back. Literally back from where we first left off. I am so low health right now. Bro, leave me alone. Don't fight me. Ow, fuck. The fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Give me the The fuck is this about? Oh, this looks dangerous. Oh, that's stupid. Bro, leave me alone. I climbed this bitch. Alright, it's in here. Well, I'm not strong enough for that. Oh, okay. I have to probably have to come back for that later. Bro, leave me alone. Ocean, no, I do not want to fight. Not want to fight. Fight you? No. Here to kill you. Bro, leave me alone. Net health. Okay. Ah, I figured it out. He's smart. Yo, then we climb up here, then he like fling me up. Ow. Health? No health. Health? No health. Health? No snack. Snack? No snack. Snack? No snack. Ow. Ow. Bro. Let me through. Let me in. Oh. Oh, health bar. Hey, what's good? Sitting open in your bitch. Whether you're gonna spend hours, countless hours here looking okay. Hey, good. Ah, this is nice. Okay, cool. Wait, what's the human doing here? I was told it's not to let humans near the mountain, but suppose there's no business of mine. Come, refresh yourself, brother. No, these guys are nice. Ow, that hurt. Whee. Oh wait, if I throw my thing at it, does it go away? No, it does not. Wait. Aha. My brain's fat. Actually, no, it's not. I'm just stupid. Okay. I got this one though. Oh, I let go A too soon. Kinda fucked up on me though. I had my shield up, but okay. There we go. Get me up here. Man, I think I wasted all my talking on the other two videos I was making. Because now my mouth is just so dry and stuff. I almost like don't want to talk. I think I made one too many shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm so fucked. So the young one posing enemy that you must all gained up on. I think not little brothers. I am Goron Elder, lower human. I'm called Goron because of certain circumstances. I must lead the in place of who. Okay, tell me, little human, how do you come from the village below? Ah, fuck, acid. Okay, I just burped in acid in my throat. That hurt. You are strong for a human. However, these mines are sacred to my tribes and will not lead. Okay. Talk about challenging him, right? Oh, he smiles. I could make an exception, but yet you would have to. Okay, yes. It's gonna make me. Can I? I'm gonna cheat and put boots on. Because I think that's how I'm supposed to win this. Oh shit. I wasn't ready. There we go. This time I have my boots on. Damn. No, you don't, bitch. Get off me. No! 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 Alright, I'll do this time. I got this guy. What the fuck? God. Get fucked, bitch! Yeah, get the fuck out of here. First try, baby. Not what was even trying. Young warrior, you have a strong will and sharp eyes. Fine. Yeah, I don't know. What you want to? Okay, cool. You have seen it. I would bet. The mountains. Okay, Reptile. Okay, good. Okay. Treasure. Blah 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 blah. There's too much reading. I don't want to read anymore. Make no mistake, the spirits have guided here. I am need your help on the behalf of the. I ask for your aid. Young warrior pass. Cool. Alright, I don't need this anymore. We're back. My neck. My back. In the Gorhun mines and my crack. I'm stupid. Let's just skip this shred. Don't use your way. Alright, hurry up, lava. Alright, cool. Alright, get up here. Alright, we're going through here. Oh my god, fucking dogs, bro. Alright, just step on this thing. Fence that off. Run over here. Jump down here. Go over here. Jump over here. Climb up here. Climb up here. Cool. Oh, almost fucked up there. Yeah, was there a reason to be up here? Climb the ladder? Hello? Almost fucking fell off the map again because the dumbass didn't know how to use a ladder. Okay, jump. Made it. Good, get me the fuck in there. That's not where I wanted to go. Just get me in there. Get me in here. Open the door right now. Open the door. I'm gonna tell you this right now. I'm probably gonna edit out that fucking part of me getting in there because for some reason that was some ass. Oh yeah, this level design in this fucking game right here. I really love this dungeon. This dungeon is like my favorite dungeon. For like the gimmick stuff, anyways. Ah, there we go. Fucked them up. Alright, what's in here? Alright, cool. Nothing. All on nothing. Oh yeah, heart piece, please. Please, heart piece. Yes. Yes, no more beeping. Yes, no beeping noise. Yes. 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 Alright. Okay. Whew. I thought I jumped too soon. Don't use your way. I don't know why that song popped in my head, but it did. You. No. Oh, my shield. There we go. Yeah, more hearts for me. That's right, I stay healthy. Okay, jump over here. Back over here. What's over here? Nothing I can get to. Nothing I can get to. I need to kill him. I hate that to wait for so fucking long. Oh shit. Jumped the wrong way. Did it. This gimmick is so cool. It was so weird. I don't know. I just thought that. I always thought that shit was cool. Me. Hey, boy, buddy. Okay, then. Okay. Respect your elders, you whippersnapper. God damn it. Yeah. I guess you can tell when I'm tuckered out of making videos. It's like I think I just put everything I had in the last one. At least talking wise, anyways. Okay, we're going this way. Nothing wrong with these guys. These guys are so gross. You. Players, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. Wait, her? So, they have her titties out? Okay. This be having her titties out. That's kind of crazy. Wait, she say something? Okay. Okay, hold up. I had to be on the thing. Boop. Whee! I have no clue where to go. Well, not here. I can tell you that much. Probably not that way either. Maybe that way. Probably this way. Wait, the other way might be goodies. I'll kind of want to get the goodies. I don't want to hit the A button, but I want to figure out what the A button does. Okay, nothing. Damn. Oh, I almost want to go like 2 times speed here. I knew there was a chesticle over here. I fucking knew it, bro. Hello, chesticle. Art piece. Yes, I just need one more. I'm pretty sure I get 2 per thing. Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it on 2 times speed every time I get on this thing. This will just take too long. This video's like already almost 50 minutes. It's at 28 right now. Actually, 29 now. 29 minutes. Minus some stuff that I probably cut out. Like, I'll probably have to just put this shit in 2 times speed. Right, when I'm like on this part. Or I can edit this part out, 1 or 2. It depends if it's needed or not. Oh my god, chances are it's probably needed. I went the wrong direction. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, I can just ignore him. Damn, it's taking so long. Oh, okay, drop down. Oh. I finally did it. I'm ignoring her because she's probably gonna bitch about me about a shield. Bitch, ain't nobody care about no shield. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna stop the video here because I might as well do the whole dungeon. I kind of want to though, but I might as well do the whole dungeon because like I have to like start from the beginning if I just leave now. Wait, no, not to fucking wait for him to fucking come around. Alright, where I'm going. Right here, right? Fuck. Damn it, I fucked it up again. Brings it up, right? Now it makes that thing come over. Whee! Hi, you? God damn it. Open the door. Fucked it up a little bit. Alright, cool. I want that testicle. I mean, chesticle. One more day to regret. Okay, and anytime when I have the boots on, I'm gonna put it on like 2x speed to make shit faster. Wait, can I pull shit underwater? I can. Swim up, swim up, swim up, swim up. Fresh air. Can't breathe. What's this do? Oh, give me suckies. Hell yeah, suck me up. Oh, hell yeah, I got suckies. I wonder the item. I forgot what item I get here. Yeah, like fall down there and it'll suck me. Kind of reminds me of that one part in Portal too, but like different. This game came out before Portal, so here we go. Whoa, that's so sick. That's not what I meant to do. Oh god. Oh, this is so weird. I want to hold down, but if I know if I hold down, it makes it go. It will make me go backwards. Don't worry, guys. I'm doing this first try. Don't worry, guys. This is first try. Okay. First try. I definitely did that all the way over twice. It definitely did not start over. Finish one. That's probably how I get back over, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Don't care then. Ow. And you can see where I got fucking burned at. Kink. Wait, do you have a key? Oh no, I don't know how to check if I have a key. Oh, I think I picked up one somewhere. Fuck, how to check if I have a key. Oh, I see it. Okay, I do have a key. Thank God I have a key. Oh, I was about to be so sad. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm kind of tired. You know what? I got an idea. I'm going to end this video here. But in the next time when I record, I'm gonna like cut. I'm gonna like run around do parts of dungeons just to get to this point. Yeah. Anyways, that's the end of the video. So peace.